chose a house because Japan is a highly populated area with fast-growing population. They need to make more houses and they need to be safer from disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanoes. To prevent people from getting hurt, we used a shake table and stilts that are easily built into the house.
The house in our design will be on a device named a shake table. A shake table allows the house, when an earthquake occurs, to glide on it and not crumble as many houses did in Japan during the 2011 earthquake. The shake table has many varieties, but some of the first were designed in Japan around 1940 and are used all around the world even up to today. More complex shake tables, such as the one we would use in our design, have a device measuring the magnitude of the earthquakes and therefore releasing or tightening the amount the shake table will be able to slide. The shake table shown in the picture is very simplified. It's only able to move in one direction and is very small in comparison, just letting what is laying on the table to slide if the ground is shaking.
Our house is on stilts with as little building material on ground level as possible. This eliminates amount of house destroyed in case of tsunamis or volcanic eruptions. The stilts are also made of stainless steel. Materials of stainless steel are iron, chromium, and carbon, and are also mined in Japan. We chose these materials because the heat of lava is between 700 and 1200 degrees Celsius, and these three elements have a higher melting point. Carbon's melting point is 3500 degrees Celsius. Chromium's melting point is 1857 degrees Celsius, and iron's melting point is 1535 degrees Celsius. So, combined, these three elements would be able to withstand the heat of lava. The stilts would be embedded into the shake table as well.
Our design also includes a device which is connected to Japan's early warning system that connects to seismographs all across the country. These new homes which we are pitching would be connected to the early warning system as the trains, buses, and cellular phones are now. The system in the house would immediately tell the owner that an earthquake is happening and they need to leave, making sure the house is very safe, alerting them when an earthquake, volcano, or tsunami is imminent. Our 3D design was made to be as simple as possible while also including all the necessary features to keep it disaster-proof. As stated, the house is on a shake table and stilts, as well as containing an alarm system to alert the owner if a disaster is imminent. In our 3D design, we did not include the works of the shake table itself, but rather just the base that would be connected to the shake table. As also stated, we try to put as little as possible ground area to the house, so almost nothing would be destroyed by a tsunami. And a stairwell was the bare minimum necessary to get to the actual living quarters upstairs, so we included it in the bottom. The house will be a basis for future homes in Japan, so when disasters happen, such as that in 2011, not nearly as much as property will be destroyed, and this will increase the population's knowledge on the disasters at the same time. We hope our design can lead to a brighter future in homes and better quality of life.